Welcome to Ziyawa Mzansi, even though we are going to be talking about something that is heartbreaking, especially when it comes to this Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. Without any waste of time, let's get to it. This is a very sad case because we are talking about something that happened in 2014 and it's 2025. We are still battling to get to the bottom of things. Tell me why today the court was adjourned, because there was a conspiracy to unalive the high ranking officials. Today there was a chaos in a courtroom at the Pretoria High Court because the trial came to a standstill when SAPS stormed in and removed three unknown men from the gallery. Men who were suspected to be attending this session regularly and allegedly scouting the courtroom. And the police acted on intelligence of a plan to unalive high ranking officials linked to this trial. And the targets allegedly include judicial officers, prosecutors, investigators, and or witnesses. Of those suspects that were arrested today, electronic devices confiscated from them are now under forensic analysis, and SAPS have confirmed that a case of conspiracy to commit murder has been opened. This is a very sad case because the case Ayakdala, something that happened in 2014, and it's now 2025, yet we are still battling the very same thing that happened back then, because someone who was hired by the state, whether it's a police or it's a court official or whatever it is, that person decided to become corrupt and defeat the ends of justice. And I wouldn't be surprised to find that the person who has done such a thing is someone who is working closely with this matter. And I wouldn't be surprised as well to find the name of Shedrack Spear, allegedly. This is me saying that now, but I wouldn't be surprised to find his name linked to all this mess that is going on, because this trial has been going on for like forever, and we have never come to the bottom of this matter. We are still battling it. And I've got two questions. I've got two questions that I want you to answer. And I know what your answer is going to be, but I'm going to ask them anyway. Is someone trying to sabotage this trial? And the second question would be, could this be linked to previous claims of interference, even mentioned at the Madlanga Commission? And both those questions, my answer would be a big yes. Do I have proof of everything I'm talking about? No, because if you look at how this trial started and where it's at, how it's moving, and how things are uncovered as the witnesses that are presented by the state, by the defense on the matter, they are exposing something that the state tried to trample on their feet. Banyathela izinto eziningi, bafihla izinto eziningi, and kuningi ke manje okwenzekayo. So I don't know what you think of this, but for me, this thing is a very sad thing, because there's a family that still needs closure, because a member of their family was unalived and they are still waiting for justice. And the very same justice is the one that is failing them, failing the whole public, because Senzo Meyiwa was someone that was loved by many people. He was a soccer star, and so many people looked up to him. young boys looked up to him because he was a role model to them. And he was a son to the parents. And he was a father to his child, and a husband to his wife. But today that person is gone. And all we see is that momish and mockery that is happening in that courtroom of Judge Rata Mokgwatleng, another one who is a menace on his own. Yo, guys, I don't know ukuthi le matter le iyogcina ngani, but yep, take a look at these clips of what was happening in that courtroom today. And from me to you, I'll see you next time. Take it easy. Peace.
Kwasekwenzekani-ke baqeda bahamba ungivulela ngaleya emaseli nakhona. They then went to the cells. That's where they opened up for me.
Who opened up for you?
Uvulela ubani? Uvulela iphoyisa drive moto ebomvu. The police officer that was the driver of the red vehicle.
By the way, who did you say that was?
Konje ubuthe kwakubani? Azonto kuyebala ekhanda lami.
Is it the same police who's been driving this red vehicle from when you were taken from your place?
Kuseyile lapho iselodwa elalishayela leya moto ibomvu nkathi bayokulanda endlini. Yeah. Yes.
Is it the same police who has been driving this vehicle when you got taken to the municipal area?
Kuseyile leya phoyisa elalishayela leya moto nkathi niya kwamasipala.
Yebo.
Yes, the red one.
Is it
It on record that the witness cannot remember the name of the police officer.
I did not hear the objection, my lord.
No, it's just based on something on record. It's placed on record that the witness cannot remember the name of the police officer who was driving the red vehicle.
Uthi uyakusho nje umshushisi ukuthi ke ufakazi akalikhumbula igama lephoyisa lelo.
I don't know what point of interest is that one.
Ngicela uyiphendulele.
Yeah.
May I respond for myself?
Yes.
Ngicela ukuthi ubaba engangiphuthumi enkulumo.
I'm just going to make a request to the state in just not to go ahead of me.
Ngoba la icourt senze ngafika kathathu ngijika kwe-office lakhe engakhulumi lutho. Namhlanje ukwazi ungibuza iphoyisa.
Because I came or went to his office 3 times not asking me anything, and today he's asking me about the police officer.
Ela nje uthe ngiphazamise ngoba ngilapha nje ngihlukumezekile kahle kahle. Ngashawa mina.
I'm asking that he please not abuse me, because I've been tortured. I am here. As I'm being here. These people are paying me. They don't even know me. My grandpa was here. Is this matter about the Maywas or the Gumbos?
Now you're saying there are people who said you it doesn't matter if you die. You say, who are those who said that?
Uthi ke kunabantu abathi akunandaba ke noma uyashona. Kwakungobani labo? Kininda
Lala ngusisi.
and this lady. The witness turns around and point to someone behind him.
Mr. Kwabeni, you just mentioned that there's a lot that you want to say. I heard our interpreter saying that. Don't worry, we'll come to that.
Ngikuzwile ke ukuthi ke uthi ke kuningi ufuna ukusho ungabi nankinga ke siyeza kuloko.
These are just but the snippets of some of those that you're saying you've got a lot to say.
Lana nje usasho ke nje okunaneke kuloko okuningi othi usafisa ukuthi ukusho.
I note, my lord, that the witness seems to be overwhelmed by emotions. I'm just wondering if we can't take a break. And early
12:31, my lord.
12:30.
12:31.
Yeah, let's take a break. Come back at 2.
as it is the court.
I was assaulted.
Ngishayelwa into 2017. Constable ngifike endlini 2017.
assaulted for something that happened in 2017. Constable Zungu coming to my place or to my house in 2017.
You're saying you have been 3 times to the offices of the same procurator that is seated here.
Ofisini lakho baba bebehlezi nawe ubhuti lo abahlezi naye.
In his office, he was with the gentleman next to him, with Geninda, as well as the lady. The witness turned around and pointed behind him, as well as the lady seated here.
When you're saying the gentleman that is seated next to him, are you referring to Dr. Sibanda?
Ukhuluma ngaye ubhuti lo.
Yebo ekhona.
Yes, he was there.
Oh, okay, no, we'll keep that in abeyance. We'll come to that. We'll come to that. We'll give you an opportunity to explain everything that happened. Do you understand?
Sizokunikeza-
Kuningi nje ngifuna ukukhuluma kahle kahle. Badlala ngami laba bantu laba.
There's a lot that I want to say. These people played me.
Badlala ngami. Namanje ngizophelwa umsebenzi ngilapha eKatolo ngento engathishu engadibani na. Ngizophelwa umsebenzi kumanje.
Even now,
Ngiyasebenza mina.
I'm employed. I'm gainfully employed. I'm going to lose my job for something that I have nothing to do with.
Yes.
Ngenxa kamuzi nje kuthiwa kufuneka evuma into engayazi.
Just because of Muzi, I am told to admit to something that I know nothing about.
Yes.
Angimphikeli angihlali naye isikhathi eside kodwa nje into bengifunza.
I am not defending him. I don't spend much time or most of my time with him. But it is just something that they were just forcing down my throat.
Who was forcing?
Noma sengafa kwavele basho bathi inyawo lami gxamaze kabili. Usho bona labo obaba. Bathi inyawo lami gxamaze kabili. Uma ukuthi ngiyaphika, angiphiki ngizokufa noma ngizoboshwa. Kulungile sibe ngangibopha. Seku right manje. Bedlala ngami. Ngazi ngabona ngala abantu. Abangasho ungazi. Abangazi. Umkhulu wakithathe la. Futhi eqala ngabantu bakwaZungu kahle kahle.
These people.
Abantu bakwaZungu abafikeyo lana bakameyi. Angisudlala ngathi kodwa.
These people are playing me. They don't even know me. My grandpa was here. Is this matter about the Maywas?
At the municipal area. Did they follow you or they took different direction as you drove to the cemetery?
Manje ke ezinye imoto lezi nanjengoba ushilo ukuthi ayekhona amanye amaphoyisa lapha kwamasipala. Uma senihamba ke niya lapha emathuneni, nazo ke zanilandela ukuya emathuneni noma ke zona zange zinilandela.
Aziningabi zasilandela.
There were quite a lot of them. They followed us.
Thank you. Now you're at a cemetery. Somebody is talking over the phone. He's saying, this person does not want to talk the truth. Then what happened?
Bayakhuluma ke lapha nalo muntu abakhuluma naye ukuthi lo muntu akafuna ukukhuluma iqiniso kwase kwenzekani.
Bangishaya.
They assaulted me.
Bangishaya ngaze ngathula lapha ngayekukhala.
They assaulted me up to a stage where I just kept quiet. I stopped crying.
Isikhathi engaze ngasibona ngathi seku4 ku20:4 sisibuze police station sebebhala phansi police station bengishutha lapha police station sebengishutha wani ngathi mangifike ePrimrose ngabuza kumuntu engangifika kuye emaselini ngabuza ukuthi ubani isikhathi wathi u5:00 wathi uqhamuka lapho namfowethu ngamchazela.
When I took note of the time, it was at the police station when I was now being formally charged, and it was about 4:20. And then when I also asked someone there in Primrose what time it was, and then the person said to me it was 5:00. Then the person asked me where I was coming from, and I told the person.
Thank you, my lord. I think it's opportune time for us to take a short adjournment, my lord. I think that will also give me some moment just to calm down, because I'm not a protagonist of torture, my lord. So as he's testifying, I think it also affects me as well. But let us take a short adjournment.
Yes. 15 minutes.